Hello everyone, this is Suresh KP from myinvestmentideas.com. Today we'll discuss about Sundaram's new mutual fund scheme, which is Sundaram Blue Chip Fund, whether one should invest or you need to avoid. What are exactly the blue chip funds? Blue chip funds is another fancy name given by mutual fund houses. Otherwise, it's more or less a large cap fund that invests in large cap stocks. So, a large cap company generally defined as a trustworthy, reputable, strong, and has a strong track record. Now let us go into the enough details of Sundaram Blue Chip Fund. The investment objective of this fund is to invest in large cap stocks. Scheme opens on 17th September and closes on 30th September. And after 5 working days, again, this mutual fund scheme will open for further investments. One can invest as low as 100 rupees as a lump sum investment. One can go for a minimum SIP of 100 rupees for 12 months. There is an exit load of 1% if anyone want to redeem within 1 year. And this fund is for moderately high risk investors. The expense ratio is up to 2.25%. Now let us check about the allocating pattern in this fund. It invests up to 80 to 100% in equity of large cap stocks. This segment is high risk. It invests up to 20% in equity of other than large cap, means it invests in mid cap as well as in small cap. The risk profile is high again here. It invests up 20% in fixed income and money market instruments. The risk profile is low to medium. It also invests up 20% in foreign securities, ADR, GDRs. It invests small amount up to 10% in REITs and INVITs. Now let us check about some of the reasons to invest in this blue chip fund. One is blue chip fund invest in large cap stocks. Generally, these are more or less stable. These companies are large in size compared to mid cap or a small cap stocks. Number two, these blue chip funds invest in large companies, large cap stocks which are fundamentally strong. So assume if there is a huge stock market crash, then large cap stocks generally will tend to recover faster during the recovery phase. Large cap stocks also invest in uh, uh, blue chip funds. Blue chip stocks might pay dividend too. So you might have a good dividend into your portfolio, though it is not guaranteed. Now let us talk about some of the negative points in the blue chip fund info. One, blue chip scheme majorly invest in large cap stocks. Generally, they provide stable returns. Don't expect any multi-bagger returns like we see in mid cap or a small cap segment. It also invests in up to 20% in debt instruments. Now these days, debt instruments have become risky. It invests up 20% in foreign securities, ADR, GDRs. Generally, these are high risk because there is a geopolitical factors involved. At the same time, there is a foreign currency risk also. These funds will not assume any. One should not assume any guaranteed returns from these funds. Since it is a new fund, there is no past performance. Hence, we would not know whether how this fund is going to perform in future. Investors should read the scheme-related documents carefully before investing in such schemes. Now, let us check about some of the blue chip funds, how they have been performing in the last 6 months to 5 years period. We have filtered based on the again the fancy name of blue chip that is there on the fund name. And if you see, we have filtered around some 7 or 8 funds. And if you see the annualized returns from these blue chip funds ranging between 5% to 12% annualized returns in the last 5 years. And if you see in the last 1 year, it is starting between 0% to 14%. If you see the highest is given by Canara Robeco Blue Chip Fund, 1 year performance is 14%, whereas Franklin India Blue Chip Fund is almost 0%. So one should understand that the returns are not guaranteed. It can fluctuate, even it can give negative returns. At the same time, it can give even a high returns also. Now let us check whether one should invest in Sundaram Blue Chip Fund. One, blue chip mutual fund scheme invest in large cap stocks. Generally, they are stable, and if you are expecting any stable returns, then you can expect in this one. Like we indicated earlier, this is not a multi-bagger kind of thing. So don't expect any very high returns kind of thing. If you're expecting any returns between 10 to 15%, and if you're willing to invest for a medium to long term of say 5 to 10 years, then one can invest in this fund. If you don't want to test like new funds, then you can go for the existing blue chip funds, which we recommended earlier. If you have any queries, you can write to me, Suresh at myinvestmentideas.com, or you can visit myinvestmentideas.com website for further analysis. Thank you.